In this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick and easy ways to upload your images into Canva. So these 3 methods all work regardless if you're using the free plan or the paid plan of Canva. Now, if you want to follow along with me, then you can use the link in the description below this video for quick and easy access to your Canva account, or you can also use that link to sign up for a free Canva account. So method 1 to upload an image to Canva is from when we're on our main dashboard page for Canva here. So once you log into your account, you'll see an option here to upload. So you click on this, and here you can drag and drop your images. So if I open up a folder where I have my images, I can drag and drop one of them in here like that. And then I can click on use design. I can choose, for example, if I want to create a custom size or turn it into an Instagram story, for example, create an infographic, a YouTube thumbnail, and so on. Or I can click on edit image and Canva will bring me into the editor where I can start working on my image. Now, when we click on the upload button here, we can drag and drop more images if we want. I can drag and drop all of these in at the same time and that'll still work just fine. Now, method number 2 to upload your images to Canva is if you're already working within a particular template in Canva. For example, let's say we're creating a YouTube thumbnail right here, and here is our canvas for our YouTube thumbnail. So if I wanted to upload an image, I can come over to the left sidebar menu here and select uploads. And now here I can click on this upload file button, and then I can then select the images from my computer. Or method 3 is, again, once we're in the editor of Canva, I can also still just access my file and drag and drop those images in just like that. And that will now upload those images into my file library within my Canva account, and it'll pull all those images into my design. So perhaps I don't want all of them in my design now, so I can just click and delete each of them. But that's fine because they're still all here in my uploads folder, and I can simply click on one, bring it in, and if I want to set that as the background, I can right click and then use this option here to set image as background. And now I can work on editing my image in Canva. Now, if you got value from this video, then please do like, share and subscribe. It really helps my channel out a lot and I really appreciate it. And if you want more helpful tech tutorials like this one, then consider subscribing to my channel.